Hey! Who are... If you live in England and Wales, chances are you're not going to need insurance. Are you sure? I'm bike sure. How did you get in my house? How did I get in, you ask? Oh, honey. I'm an advert. Yeah, I think you should leave before I call the police. Everything that went through my head on my first track day. Book my first track day, let's do this! So heavy. Oh god, this suit is so ugly. Why is it so tight? This is not comfortable at all. Am I supposed to stretch these out? This was a lot of effort to get into. Why is it so hot? Oh my god. I need a drink. Okay, shuffle, 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 shuffle. Am I supposed to be helping right now? If I stand still, maybe they won't ask me to help. Did I pack too much stuff? No, everyone else is underpacked. I wonder how comfortable. Oh my god, lampshades really hurt. Ugh, I should go to sleep. Time to sleep. Sleep, Saffy. Sleep. Okay, sleep. Go to sleep. Don't be nervous. Time to sleep. Time to sleep. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Sleep. Be nervous. Sleep. Just go to sleep. Sleep. Oh my god, why didn't I sleep? Where's my bike? Oh my god, where's my bike? Where's my bike? Where's my bike? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Wait, hang on. It's in the van. Never mind. It's all good. This might be the last selfie I take with legs. It'll be fine. Oh, I'm finally arriving. Why does everyone look so fancy? Oh gosh. Wait, everyone has tyre warmers. Should I have tyre warmers? Should I have removed my luggage rack? They all look so organised. I wonder if they can smell my fear. Just gonna pretend I know what I'm doing. Oh my god, these are still really uncomfortable. Okay, just get them on. Okay, ugh. Okay, they're on. Okay, you got this. It's fine, it's fine. Oh my god, oh, these are not comfortable on my back. Ugh. Nothing to be nervous about, Saffy. Nothing to be nervous about. Don't be nervous. It's fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Oh my god, how do I... I'm really nervous.
Don't be nervous, just ride round like it's a road.
Do I just like go?
Just go. Just ride it like it's a road, no pressure. And then you'll get faster as you learn where you're going.
If I die, bike me funeral, yeah? Okay, you got this. It's fine. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be fine. You've got this. It's all okay. Okay, you're on the track. You're nearly on the track. Okay, you're on the track. It's fine. Absolutely fine. Oh, see? This is nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about at all. Just a giant road. This is fine. Look how fantastic the weather is. Where did she come from? How is she going past me already again? There they go again. How are they so fast? Oh, I feel so cool right now. Oh my god, this is so great. Oh my god, my foot touched the floor. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Don't panic. Don't panic. Oh god, don't use the back brake. Don't use the back brake. Oh my god. Hang on a second. Wait a minute. Hang on. Something's not right. There's a funny noise coming from my bike. I don't know if it's in my head. And it was all in my head. Oh well. Oh my god, rumble strips. Ooh, rumble strips. Ah, rumble strips. Now that the adrenaline has worn off, this is really fun. Unfortunately, the day has now ended. I did it! I didn't die! I didn't break my bike! He's all in one piece. He's all in one piece. It's all good.